In recent years, the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting have gained significant attention for their potential health benefits, weight loss effects, and improved metabolic function. Individually, both approaches have been shown to yield promising results, but when combined, they create a powerful synergy that can enhance each other's benefits. In this video we will explore the principles behind the keto diet and intermittent fasting and highlights the reasons why their combination can be a game changer for those seeking to optimize their health and achieve their wellness goals. The ketogenic diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat dietary approach designed to shift the body's primary source of energy from glucose to ketones. By significantly reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, the body enters a state of ketosis, where it efficiently burns stored fat for energy. This metabolic state offers a range of benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, increased mental clarity, and enhanced energy levels. Intermittent fasting, on the other hand, is not a diet but an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, but the most common ones involve fasting for a specific window of time, such as 16 hours, known as 16-8 fasting, or 24 hours once or twice a week. During the fasting period, the body depletes its glycogen stores and begins utilizing stored fat as a source of fuel. When keto and intermittent fasting are combined, their effects amplify and complement each other, leading to numerous benefits. Here's why this combination is so powerful. Accelerated fat burning. Both keto and intermittent fasting encourage the body to tap into its fat stores for energy. By restricting carbohydrates and extending the fasting period, the body becomes highly efficient at burning fat for fuel, facilitating weight loss and reducing body fat percentage. Improved insulin sensitivity. Keto and intermittent fasting have shown positive effects on insulin sensitivity. By minimizing carbohydrate intake and prolonging periods without food, these practices can help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce insulin resistance, and promote better metabolic health. Increased autophagy. Autophagy is the body's natural process of cellular repair and regeneration. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can stimulate autophagy, which can help remove damaged cells, improve cellular function, and promote longevity. Keto, in combination with intermittent fasting, can enhance these benefits. Enhanced mental clarity. Many individuals report improved mental clarity and focus when following the keto diet and intermittent fasting. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and promoting the production of ketones, these practices provide a steady source of energy to the brain, reducing brain fog and enhancing cognitive function. Appetite control. Both keto and intermittent fasting can help regulate appetite and reduce cravings. The high-fat content of the ketogenic diet promotes satiety, while intermittent fasting can reset hunger hormones, leading to better portion control and improved dietary adherence. The combination of the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting offers a powerful strategy for weight loss, improved metabolic health, and overall well-being. By synergistically enhancing fat burning, improving insulin sensitivity, promoting autophagy, and providing mental clarity, this approach can unlock the body's full potential. However, it's important to note that individual results may vary, and it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or fasting routine. With the right guidance and a personalized approach, the combination of keto and intermittent fasting can be a transformative tool on your wellness journey. If you want more information about keto, you can read the description down below or watch this next video on the right. Remember, you have the power to make positive changes in your life. We believe in you. Until next time, take care and keep shining.